Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the English Fusion Podcast, your friendly place to learn real English every single day.
Hey, I'm alien. No, not from space. Well, maybe a little.
And I'm Miami. Today we're talking about a super useful topic, daily routine. You'll learn simple phrases that you can use today.
Before we start, hit the like button and subscribe so you never miss a new English lesson.
All right? Ready? Let's begin your English journey for today.
Let's start with the morning. One very common phrase is, I wake up at... Repeat after me. I wake up at... Good job.
Yes. For example, I wake up at 6:30. Simple, right?
Here's another one. I get out of bed. It means you stop lying down and stand up.
Let's make a small practice moment. Listen arrow, repeat arrow, learn. I get out of bed at 7 o'clock.
Nice. You're doing great. Now another useful phrase. I brush my teeth. Everybody says this every morning.
Yes. Example, I brush my teeth after I wake up.
And one more important phrase. I take a shower.
Let's practice together. I take a shower in the morning.
Amazing. You're improving already.
Okay, now let's talk about breakfast. A very useful phrase is, I have breakfast at...
For example, I have breakfast at 8 o'clock.
Yes, and if you eat something quick, you can say, my quick breakfast is a banana.
Or, I drink tea in the morning.
Let's do our interactive practice again. I have breakfast with my family.
Good job. Simple sentence, but very natural. Now let's talk about work or school. You can start with, I go to work at, or I go to school at.
Example, I go to work at 9 a.m.
Another useful phrase is, I start work at.
And also, I check my emails.
Let's practice a full mini dialogue. I go to work at 9 a.m.
I start work at 9:30 a.m.
Nice, you're doing amazing. Keep going.
Okay, afternoon time. A very simple phrase. I have lunch at...
Example, I have lunch at 1 p.m.
Another useful sentence is, I take a break.
Let's practice. I take a break at 3 o'clock.
Perfect. You're really improving.
Now let's talk about evening. One common phrase is, I come home at...
Example, I come home at 6 p.m.
Another very useful phrase, I make dinner.
Yes, for example, I make dinner for my family.
And at night you can say, I relax and watch TV.
Or, I go to bed at 10 p.m.
Let's do our final practice round. I go to bed at 10.
Great. You finished all the daily routine phrases. All right, friends, let's quickly recap the key phrases you learned today. I wake up at... I brush my teeth. I take a shower. I have breakfast at... I go to work/school at... I have lunch at... I come home at... I go to bed at...
You did an amazing job today. Really, you should be proud.
Before we go, we have a fun community question for you. What's the first thing you do in the morning?
Tell us in the comments below. We love reading your answers.
Thanks for listening, stay positive, and keep practicing your English.
See you in the next episode. Bye.